Kick a CVR. I rebuilt it. We got a new coil up in there, if you can see. Made a new coil for it. Kick a CVR. For all you people out there in YouTube land. The guy blew it up. Want me to rebuild it, make it even more powerful. Here goes a cord. Here goes the cord I put in it. Here's another one, similar to it. I make them. Put them in the oven, preheated, 450 degrees, 475, your choice. Here's the wire right there. 26 gauge wire right here. Spin around, you can see it right there. 26 gauge, or you can use 24 or 22. Depends on the speaker. Once again, CVR, ready to go. Let's just turn it on and see what she sounds like, because she was blew up pretty good. And once again, I use epoxy to make the core, or you can use which is stronger than epoxy, is thread lock. It's kind of tricky to use this one, but it's way stronger than epoxy. It holds more heat. Let me turn it on and see what she sounds like. Sounds pretty good. Once again, that's a do it to. CVR. Why go buy a speaker? Rebuild it.